it's Mindy with Patriot Health Alliance. Ready to put your personal eye masseuse to work? Great, because I'm going to show you exactly how to sit back, relax, and let your EyeSpa melt away your tension. And before you know it, you'll experience some much needed relief from all the unavoidable eye strain we collect throughout the day. But before we get to it, be sure to subscribe to this channel and click the bell right next to it, so you'll get notifications every time we post a new video. Sound good? Well, let's get started. Step 1. Unbox your EyeSpa and find a relaxing spot. It could be a couch, bed, office, even a plane ride. Imagine that, a spa treatment mid-flight. Step 2. Hold down the on-off button for about 2 seconds to turn your device on, and then click the same on-off button once to switch between dynamic, relaxation, soothing, and sleep mode. Your EyeSpa works by targeting acupoints around your face, like your temples and eyes. When massaged, these pressure points help to relieve the eye aches and headaches caused by stress and screen time. So depending on your stress level that day, you can customize your massage experience using the 4 different modes. Step 3. Choose how long you want your massage to be. Each massage mode comes with a set length of time. You can have a short dynamic massage for 10 minutes or a relaxing sleep massage for 20. The choice is yours. And then you're ready to go. Just pop your EyeSpa on like you would a pair of ski goggles. It even has an adjustable strap, so you'll always have a comfortable fit. And then sit back and let your EyeSpa get to work with its perfect, downright rhythmic sequence of gentle vibrations to hit all the pressure points and place where we store tension around our eyes and temples. You'll experience a dynamic progression of vibration, compression, and relaxing heat to help you reduce strain and leave you feeling relaxed, refreshed, and rejuvenated. It's Bluetooth enabled, so you can play music through your EyeSpa's built-in speakers. Simply turn on Bluetooth on your phone or tablet and turn on your EyeSpa. When you see iMassager, tap it to pair. Now you can play your favorite tunes or find a relaxing playlist of nature sounds to calm your mind. And when your time's up, you'll feel rejuvenated. Simply fold up your personal masseuse, pack it in your bag, and go. It's that easy and convenient. One more thing. Your EyeSpa comes with a micro USB cord that you can use to recharge your EyeSpa using your computer or phone charger. And when it needs charging, the low battery light will let you know by flashing on and off, so you never have to worry about a dead battery ruining your massage. We're all about making your life easier and getting you feeling your best anywhere, anytime. So let us know where you take your EyeSpa next. To your health.